So first thing you want to do here is go to settings, applications, apps and features, and then basically uninstall all the applications you don't need and you think are bloty. For example, I have already installed Cortana and Copilot. You can also install Xbox Console Companion. It's really useless. Weather application, Windows clock. I'm pretty sure no one uses these applications and they're just bloty. Now go to privacy, general, and basically turn off all these features. You won't need them. It's just trackers. Go back, go to personalization, start, turn off all these features too, go back again, and now go to system. After you go to system, basically go to notifications and actions and turn off this feature. Now what you want to do is go to personalization again, taskbar, and turn off these first four features. Finally, go to task manager and then go to the startup section. These are basically the applications that when you turn on your PC, it starts up. So I want to disable this one, right click and click disable. That's simply it. And if you want to do any other application, just do the same thing. Thanks for watching.